What's up? What's up? It's your girl Queen, and I was doing the mail in my bathroom, and now I have to take. Okay, give me a minute. Tell them to give me a lighter. Tell them to give me a lighter. Yeah. You guys, I had to poop so bad. Oh my God. I had to poop so bad, y'all. I didn't even know I had to poop like this. Oh God. I was just reading the mail. But I'll tell you, my stomach is hurting. Somebody finna knock on my door. Come in.
Here's your lighter. What's wrong?
I stink. Turn that fan on.
What's wrong with you?
I'm trying to take a poop.
Where are you? Oh, there's pooping.
So yeah, I'm taking a poop. Have you ever had a poop that just was soft? I'm gonna show y'all how my poop look, cause y'all, I don't know if y'all be believing me that I be taking the poop. So I'm gonna sit this phone right here, cause my stomach hurt and I gotta take a poop. I forgot to tell y'all, it's your girl Queen back with another video. And I'm taking a morning poop. Is it still morning? I'm sorry, you guys. I just looked at something bad news that I was waiting for, and it confirmed what I already knew. All right, it's just, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm in a whole nother world thinking I need to wipe my butt. So hold on. Let me turn the phone real quick. Yeah, y'all can look at the ceiling. To the ceiling, to the wall. Oh, baby, baby, baby. Now, the only thing I didn't do was courtesy flush. I didn't courtesy flush today, but it's okay. All right. Gotta wash my hands. I took my nail off. It was aggravating me last night. So I just bit it off because of my nerves. I got bad nerves. Now, you know what people do? When they don't have paper towels, let me show you what they do. They supposed to do this, right? But people don't do that. You know what they do? Let me show you something. You see your decoration towels? They take it and look, they do this. This is what they do. They wipe their hands on it. Now, when the fuck you go to somebody's house and you see decoration towel, don't wipe your hands on their towels. That's why it's there. You see that? That's a decoration towel. Let me show y'all again. See that? That's called a decoration towels. Don't be wiping your damn hands on people towels and shit. But if you got people come use your bathroom, make sure you keep paper towels inside the bathroom. You understand? All right. It's your girl Queen using the bathroom. Back with another video. Bye.